What's up, YouTube? Here, I'm about to do my first vlog for my YouTube channel. I'm about to start. It's gonna be called Straight Piping. It's pretty much gonna be a 03 Chevy Silverado as my burnout truck, you know. So here it goes real quick. We're gonna put a Cresspo wing on it with my own little taste of it, you know. So this is the original one that I had on it, which I'm about to take off, and that's the Cresspo wing that I bought. Which I didn't like these right here. I mean, they're okay, but I don't want to glue them to the truck or anything like that. So I came with my own concept, you know. So this is what I'm gonna do. Some people might like it, some people won't, but it's my taste, you know. So pretty much, you know, cut them out as cardboard out. These are pretty much just some stencils just to see how it's gonna look, and then I'm gonna get a sheet of metal and cut them out, you know. So yeah, stay tuned real quick, and I'll show you how it goes. Done yet. These are just like my stencils that I just did to see how it's gonna actually look, you know. Something different, you know. Just my taste. I still have to adjust some of these holes right here. I'm gonna start making them right now a little bit and adjust it so it can match the original holes on the tailgate. So yeah, stay tuned and keep you updated real quick. guys can see it. Orlando! Cosa que te las traje, güey? This is the things that are gonna go with the wing, way, pretty much. Está el pinche wing. Acá está la güey. Side panel, pinche Cresspo wing.
How are we supposed to paint this?
Black, nomás, güey.
No, sí, pero like...
Oh, you want me to drill the holes? Okay, I thought I'd drill the holes real quick, güey.
Yeah,
We don't want to drill the holes.
If you want both sides, there's nothing for us to grab, you know?
Okay. Alright, yeah, that's what I was thinking in the morning, way. Yeah, so I thought put them through the holes and then you can hang them like that, I just paint them with. And yeah, see what happens. Guys, pues ya quedaron las parts pintadas, so we're gonna go check them out real quick. A ver cómo quedaron. Alright, well there goes the Cresspo wing. Así pintadita. These are custom made brackets que le hice para la extended wing. Y aquí están los fender flares que le voy a poner, pero le voy a poner puros spikes. ¿Por qué? Pues that's what I want to do, you know, something different. Esto va a ser para la burnout truck, la Mickey Mouse. Ya quedó la huella pintadita con brackets. Ya este rato se lo ponemos en la troca, make another video for it. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the finished product on the Cresspo wing with my own little taste that I did to it. Pretty much what I did, I ended up just riveted the side of it. I didn't want to put no rookies on it. Doing is I'll be installing the fender flares tomorrow in the morning. And I'm gonna put spikes on them as well. Why? I don't know. That's what I want to do. So these are the fender flares. And I'm gonna be clearing out the truck with the spikes. I'll put these on tomorrow. See how it looks. So as you see it next time, it's gonna have the fender flares on it with some spikes on it. You know. Alright guys, well you've seen the final installation of the Cresspo wing that I did with my little extra extensions that I put on it. This is my first official YouTube video that I'm doing, that I'm about to start on my YouTube channel. It's going to be called Straight Piping here in Dallas, Texas. So yeah, I'm going to be doing more videos. Next I'm going to be doing the fender flares on it with spikes on it, you know. Something different that I wanted to do on the truck, you know. Everybody has pretty much about the same thing, you know, same front SS, cat eye front end, drop, bags. I want to do something different, you know. So yeah, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll keep on loading up more videos as it comes. All right, so check you out.